What's going on YouTube, TikTok? Today, we're going to talk about how to buy index funds. You must open a brokerage account, fund it, choose your target index, and place a purchase order. Now, let's talk about this so you can have an understanding, and we'll go step by step later in the video, but we'll go over what you need to do first. So, very first thing you need to do is to select a brokerage platform. Now, you need an account with the investment firm to purchase index fund. So, look for a provider that offer commission-free trading and low investment minimum. So, let's talk about Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robo Investors. Now, Vanguard is renowned for pioneer low-cost index investment and is ideal for long-term buying and hold investor. Now, Fidelity, they offer excellent customer service, unique zero mutual fund, and with no expense ratio. And Charles Schwab provide robust research tool and widely access to low-fee index product. And I have to mention this is robo-advisor platform like Betterment or Weatherford automated buy managed index fund for you for a small fee. Now, those are the different ones. I'll show you how to create your account on Fidelity later in the video. So let's talk about the next step. Selecting the account type. What do I mean by account type? Traditional or Roth IRA or taxable brokerage account. Now, best for retirement savings due to significant tax advantage is the traditional Roth IRA. Now, traditional is you defer taxes now, and Roth IRA is taxed when it's entered or taxed before it entered, so it's tax-free growth. Which one do I recommend you to buy or put in? It's the Roth IRA if you're expecting a longer set time for it. If you're going to need the money in like 3 years, 4 years, do I recommend putting in Roth? It all depends on your financial situation. At the end of the day, you have to look at your finances and which one gives you the better tax advantage at the end of the day. Now, taxable brokerage account is best for your flexibility if you need to withdraw the money before retirement. It's great for a bridge account. That's what I use mine for. So at the end of the day, choose your account type and whatever one is better for you. Now, number 3 is link your bank account to transfer money into your new brokerage platform. Now, I set mine up with the ACH or electronic transfer, so a standard free method to move your money from your checking account to your saving account. And I automatically deposit. So I've set a reoccurring of X amount of dollars every month for my brokerage account. It's about $500 a month, and that's just for my dividend investment. So at the end of the day, you have to pick. And then number 4 step is select your target index. Now, this is where you have to decide which segment of the market you want your money to be tracked. Now, I recommend if you're new to investment and don't know what you're doing, invest in the S&P 500 index. It tracks the 500 largest publicly traded U.S. trading and company in the U.S. You could also do Vanguard VOO or Fidelity FXAIX. Now, the total market index captured thousands of small, medium, large U.S. companies, ultimate diversification. Now, decide between mutual fund and ETF. Now, index fund comes with 2 structure formats, choosing one that fits your trading style. Now, index mutual fund. Here are some of the requirements. Trading time, once per day after market close. Minimum often is $1,000 to $3,000, and automation is highly compatible with automatic recurring investment. So index mutual fund, it's a little bit more on the you can only trade it once per day. It only sells at the end of the day. That's the big thing you really need. No. And index ETF exchange traded funds. It's real time throughout the day. You can buy and sell as many times. And the pricing of a single share or fractional share. So the minimum investment is basically $1. And traditional manual The automation is traditional manual. Through many modern broker are now automated through ETF. Now you execute your purchase. Log into your account, navigate your trading window, enter the order. If you enter the ticker symbol like VTSAX or IVV, you'll then be able to purchase it and choose the market order to buy immediately at current price or limit order to maximum price you're willing to pay. Now that gets more tricky. You have to buy and sell wherever you want and choose the order type selection. So market order, buy immediately at the current price or limit order to maximize, wherever you want, and put the specific amount you want and confirm, and that is it. So let's go into showing you how to actually do it. Those are all the steps. And we're gonna do Fidelity Investment. This is not a sponsor. It's just I prefer using them. So you go to Fidelity. They have one of the best customer service. There's a reason why I like them. That's what I care about because I like to be able to contact someone, contact them immediately. So very first thing, pick an account. I pick Fidelity. You open a account. What I like about Fidelity, they tell you what each one does and reason why. So let's open an account. You open it, you pick one of these. Once you open an account, then you go into setting up your. So I created an account. I call it Kid Educational, and I am going to buy a stock. Now, what I do now is let's look for a stock. So right now I have FXAIX. This is the one I purchased. I did my due diligence. You can go to quotes and enter FXAIX. It'll pull it up right here. And it'll give you the information. Now you can research it more and boom, you have all the detail right here. And you have all the detail right here. You can make a decision if you want to buy it. And it gives you the hypothetical growth and information. It also gives you what's the 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10-year return. So yes, you can look at it like this and it shows you what companies in there. So once you get it all like that, then you can go to trade. Once you get to trade, you can put how much you want to put in there. FAX, what action I want to buy. Once you do that, you can put quantity. I already purchased some, so I'm not going to purchase any more. You just put how much you want to buy. You can put the dollar amount, let's say $1,000, and it costs you $1,000. There is other things you can do, but that's it. That's all you need to know if you want to start buying and selling index funds.